Hi everyone, and welcome to this lesson on the second fundamental rule of counting, the multiplication rule. It's a short lesson, but it sets us up for the next topic, which is permutations. So let's get into it. The multiplication rule says that if you run k experiments, and the first experiment has n1 outcomes, let me not cover up the index there, so we have n1 outcomes in the first experiment, and then in the second experiment, no matter what the outcome of the first one was, is n2 outcomes. And the third experiment, no matter what the outcomes of the first two experiments were, are n3 outcomes, and so on, all the way down to the kth experiment. So we have k experiments, and the outcomes for experiment I is written n sub I. Then the number of outcomes total for all these experiments can be gotten by just multiplying the numbers together, so hence the name multiplication rule. So for the k experiments, it's n1 times n2 times n3 up to nk. And as always, we'll do a quick explanation to make sure the concept is more clear. If it isn't clear by the end of this short video, again, please let me know in the comments below, and I can change something. Especially if you can identify what isn't clear, just let me know and I can try to add that into the lesson. So in this example, Lucy's getting ready in the morning and deciding what to wear. She's going to use any clothing combination among 3 shirts, 4 pairs of pants, and 6 pairs of shoes. So how many outfits could she make with those options? Well, she has 3 shirts, so she can choose any one of those, and that's 3 outcomes for experiment 1. So we can treat this as a wardrobe experiment in a sense. So she has 3 shirts for the first experiment, and then the second experiment she has 4 pairs of pants. That doesn't change no matter which shirt she chooses. There's still 4 pairs of pants, so she can choose any 4 of those outcomes. And then the third experiment has 6 outcomes because she has 6 pairs of shoes. No matter which shirt or which pair of pants she chooses, there's still 6 pairs of shoes. By the multiplication rule, the number of possible outfits that she can make is 3 times 4 times 6, which equals 72. So there are 72 possible outfits that she could wear for the day. Now, this doesn't take into account that maybe one shirt doesn't go with a pair of pants, so if you choose that shirt, it would change the number of pairs of pants that you would choose for the second experiment. If that was the case, then we cannot use the multiplication rule because the number is changing in the second experiment. The multiplication rule only applies whenever the number of each experiment does not affect the number of outcomes of the other experiments. That's the key thing to keep in mind. So I'll see you all in the next lesson.